Tax season is right around the corner, and as you file your 2025 tax return, there are some important changes from last year that you need to consider. And these changes could affect how much you owe or how much you keep. I'm Bud Milligan, Certified Financial Planner and Wealth Manager with Milligan Wealth Management. And today I'm giving you a fast, clear breakdown of what's changing and how to prepare. Our annual 2026 tax guide will help you prepare for your filing this year and has great information about gathering documents and records, as well as updates on deductions and credits. This guide is for informational purposes only. Always consult your tax, legal, and accounting professionals before making any changes to your strategy. Let's start with the tax brackets. The rates stay the same, 10 through 37%, but the income ranges have shifted upward. That means many people may fall into lower brackets this year. For example, a single filer earning $195,000 would have been in the 32% bracket in 2024. In 2025, that same income falls into the 24% bracket. That's a meaningful difference. And remember, your bracket doesn't apply to your entire income. It's tiered and progressive. So if you're married filing jointly and earn $125,000, you'll pay 10% on the first portion, 12% on the next, and 22% only on the final slice. Understanding this helps you plan smarter. The standard deduction also increased for your filing this year. Singles now get $15,750 and married couples filing jointly get $31,500. These increases may reduce your taxable income and influence whether you itemize. For your filing next year, you will see another increase in the standard deduction as well. Let's hit the major deadlines for the 2025 tax year. January 15th of 2026 was your final estimated tax payment for 2025. April 15th of 2026 is when your 2025 tax returns are due. Your first 2026 estimated payment is due. It is also your last day to contribute to a 2025 IRA if you are not going to extend, and then extension requests are due. June 15th of 2026 is the second estimated payment. September 15th is the third estimated payment. And October 15th is when extended returns are due. And if a deadline falls on a weekend or holiday, it just means move to the next business day. Now let's talk about child tax credit. The child tax credit for 2025 is up to $2,200 per qualifying child. It begins phasing out at $200,000 of income for single filers or $400,000 for married couples filing jointly. Now let's talk about tax preparation. Starting early helps you avoid surprises, especially if your job, home, and family situation changed. Throughout the year, review your paycheck withholdings. A small adjustment now can prevent a big tax bill later. And keep your documents organized. That includes your W-2s, your 1099s, mortgage statements, charitable receipts, business mileage logs, medical bills, and prior returns. During early 2026, make sure you've received all of your forms before filing. Here are a few strategies to help tighten things up. Number 1, review last year's return. You may still have time to contribute to retirement accounts and reduce taxable income. Number 2, consider bunching charitable donations. If you normally donate $15,000 a year, donating $30,000 in one year and skipping the next may help you itemize and increase your deduction. Number 3 is to review your capital losses. You can deduct up to $3,000 in net losses if married filing jointly, or $1,500 if filing separately, and carry forward anything that's above that. And this applies only to investment property, not your personal property. Number 4 is to stay organized. Create a dedicated place for tax documents and backup digital files to avoid headaches later. So questions about record retention often come up this time of the year, and let's go over some of those. The IRS recommends keeping most tax records for 3 years. Keep them 7 years if you claim a loss from worthless securities or bad debt, 6 years if you underreported income by more than 25%, and 4 years for employment tax records. And if you never filed a return, keep records indefinitely. Tax season doesn't have to be stressful. With the right preparation and a clear understanding of the 2025 changes, you can file confidently this year and keep more of what you earn. We've only scratched the surface of the information you will find in the Milligan Wealth Management 2026 Annual Tax Guide that I make available to my clients. As you prepare your taxes, make sure to get your copy by going to my website at milliganwealth.com. Scroll to the bottom and ask for your copy through the Have a Question tool. If you found this summary of our guide helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about who may be preparing their returns as well. And if you want personalized guidance, reach out. I'm here to help you make smarter financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Your Financial Bud.